Are you ready to take your coding skills to the next level? Become a software developer and kickstart your tech career. At Codersarts, we offer comprehensive coding and software development training that is designed for people of all levels. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced developer, we have courses that will take your skills to the next level. Our expert instructors will guide you through the latest technologies and techniques in coding and software development, giving you the knowledge and hands-on experience you need to succeed in the tech industry. With Codersarts, you can expect one-on-one live courses, get personalized coding instruction from experienced coders tailored to your specific needs and learning pace, project-based learning or training that offers opportunity to work on real-world projects and build a portfolio that showcases your skills to potential employers. Self-paced course. Advance your coding skills at your own pace with flexible, self-paced courses from Codersarts. So why wait? Invest in your future and join the growing number of tech professionals who have honed their skills with Codersarts. Start learning today and take your coding and software development skills to the next level.
If you need more services, we offer assignment or project help that provides students or individuals with their academic or work-related assignments. One-on-one mentorship. This is helpful if you're struggling to learn machine learning on your own. So, get trained by industry-leading machine learning experts to mentor you towards success. Work or job support. This helps employee perform their job duties effectively and efficiently. Also feel more confident and secure in their role, leading to increased job satisfaction and a reduced risk of burnout.
Contact us today. We can't wait to help you reach your full potential as a coder or software developer. Thank you for watching.